This is a 2017 A8 Quattro. We're gonna remove the old grill. Then we're gonna put in this grill. It's a honeycomb black sport grill. So I tried to look for videos on how to take off the bumper on an Audi A8. I couldn't find any. So that's why I'm making this video. I'm trying to figure it out myself. I mean, I think it's pretty basic in all the Audi trims at S5, A4, A3. I think they're all the same procedure, you know. Jack up the car, take off the wheels, take out the fender, and take out some bolts in here that holds the fender and the bumper together. And then take off this. Then okay, this one is broken off already, so you have to take off that. Also, I'll take out this. Yeah, so let's start with that. So after you took off the wheels, you gotta take off these three. I think they're T20. I'm not sure, but you gotta take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those 6 Torx bolts out. So you're gonna slide the fender that way, and there's gonna be, I think there's gonna be like 2 or 3 bolts on the inside that holds the fender and the bumper. So I'm gonna take this off and come back. Okay, so guys, if you can see, but y'all see those 2 screws up there? That's 10 millimeter. Those are the ones that I need to take off. So you're probably gonna need a long extension and a 10 millimeter socket to take those off. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. This one right here and that one on top, right there. Okay guys, wait, before you take off these top bolts right here, you have to go under the car and take these off. Get it, start from here and walk your way down and take all those off. Yeah, it's complicated, I know. Okay guys, so I did forget to mention one thing. You gotta take off this screw. It's like right behind the fender. Yeah, so once you take off like these 3 ones on each side, take those off. Don't take this off, just leave it there. And this, might have to take this off. I don't think so. Nope, you don't gotta take it off. So yeah, so you gotta take this off. Take that off, and then just gently pull out this side. It's just clips. Do it gently, just don't break it. Okay guys, so I was trying to make it easy. I thought I could just get away with taking these 3 bolts on each side to take it off, but it seems like this whole plastic is connected to the bumper. So you have to come down here and take these off. There, all the way down. Yeah, this is some bullshit. Okay, so after you get all the screws below off, come over here. I just have to put this screw back on so you can hold the bumper. But this connection, you have to disconnect this connection And then like be very careful of the wires, like when you take this one bump off, because there's a couple of wires connection in here. Like this one like has a camera over here, so you gotta disconnect it before trying to pull this bumper apart. So guys, see, if you take off all those under tray bolts, nuts, whatever the fuck you want to call it, the bumper is gonna come off. But before you take off the bumper, make sure you disconnect this from that. And then when you do take off the bumper, make sure you put something under to lay the bumper on, because you have to figure out a way to disconnect this. And that goes all the way down to the camera, plug into the camera. So you have to find a way to disconnect it. I'm gonna find a way and then I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, actually don't take out the blue connection, actually scratch that. Come over here and pull this thing down, and then you'll see a connection right here. Then you can disconnect this. Okay, so that came off easy. You're just gonna press on the tab and just pull, and it should come right off. So that's easy. Okay, so take off the grill. You gotta take all these bolts out. I think the T20. Shit, I say everything is T20 and I don't even know. But yeah, whatever. Take all these bolts out of here. Yeah, and then we'll go from there. And also, you gotta take out these sensors, because they have to go inside the new grill. Yeah. Okay guys, so I made a mistake, so now I don't want you guys to also do the same mistake. So I was trying to take this clip out of this, because I thought like this was actually on the grill that I'm about to swap. So these clips right here, do not take them off, just leave them on, because this is not even on the grill, you see. So the only thing like you have to do is disconnect this and that on both sides, and then try to pry out the clips for the grill, because like when the grill falls out, it's gonna like fall out like with the sensor on the grill. So you have to take out the sensor too and then put it on the new grill. But yeah, this shit is complicated, man, but it's all good. We're gonna get it done. Okay guys, so you see these clips that they go inside here, so you have to push this thing down and then push it out so they can come out. You have to do it like the whole top the same way, and then you go down the bottom down here and do the same. And if you're doing this for the first time, you're probably gonna have some broken clips, which is fine as long as like you don't break too many clips. You're good. And as I was saying, you have to take these, unplug these sensors off, and that too, else the grill won't come out. See, that's the only thing like on the grill now. It's kind of tight, so you have to like really press it hard and push it out. Okay, fuck this. Okay guys, so actually, yeah, I lied again. So you don't press this. All you have to do is push it outside. Go this, push it back forward, press and pull. Easy. And then the grill should come out free. I swear to God, if anything's... What the hell is holding this shit now? Oh. Okay. It's the blue camera. It's the blue connection. Okay, just... You reach your hands down there. Hold up. Okay, now that it's disconnected and the grill comes out. So literally all you gotta do is just press on this tab and just pull out. It should come out. Now you have to unscrew the camera and remove the sensors and put it on the new grill. Okay guys, after you transfer the sensors, so the camera is the tricky part. The because the camera basically doesn't fit. Like there is no bracket like where you could screw these holes. So what I basically did, I just took out the camera, put it aside. I put the bracket in first, and then I just hot glue it on there. So it's not going nowhere, it's pretty firm. And after you hot glue it, let it dry, let it bond, and then put on the camera and put these two screws. Should be pretty tight. There you go. And then what you want to do, put it back on the bumper. So like when I tried to put the grill inside, this piece was blocking it from going all the way in. That was a piece back here that was blocking the camera bracket from going in. So I had to cut the piece out, as you can see, so I can make it fit. Okay, so there you go, guys. So after you put in the clips for the grill, just put back the screws the same way like you took off the screws. Put all of the screws back and plug in. Don't forget to plug in the camera and all that. And then the only thing left is to put back the bumper. And I don't need to show that because you're gonna put it back the same way like you took it off. So it's the same procedure, just in reverse. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.